I am back! I have an exciting news to share. Since Chinese New Year is coming up, I will be organizing a free Prosperity Toss with Me event to celebrate our 100,000 subscribers and also to celebrate the Chinese New Year with you all. This is my homemade jisang, made from fresh ingredients. It's delicious and fresh, and we will be doing a prosperity toss with me with this jisang. The event will be on the 20th of January 2024 at City Walk Puchong. The time is 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. There will be 2 slots available. Please RSVP your slot at the C Mall link since we have limited space. I hope to see you there. I also will be selling my jisang. You can pre-order your jisang. Please check the full detail in the C Mall link below. I am so excited and I can't wait to see you guys. See you soon. Bye.